directions on that file, because as we can see, the files that were filed on 17th of October, and which directions were given, and the bench was constituted. So we expected that the matter would be mentioned together with this one today. Thank you.
Lord, with utmost respect, this honorable court is a court of record. And the record is very, very important. My Lord, your leadership, we heard the court assistant call out petition E13 of 2024, and she mentioned the word Gachagua. That is the file that was called. And in order for the record of this code to be systematically accurate and easy to follow, may I, with respect, ask that we get clarity on this file that was called out, E13/24 of Gachagua, before we go to the other matters. And perhaps it is for this honorable court to clarify which files, one by one, are before this honorable court. This
Senior Counsel Paul Muite, we are giving you time to talk. You see, everybody wants to talk. There will be a time for us also to talk. So I've heard.
Thank you.
For this morning, for the purposes of hearing this morning, the applications which are before the court are application number E0113, which was consolidated in Gachagua before it arrived here with E0114. 011414. Then we have application number E0115, also from Gachagua. That is application before this court. And then we give direction on those applications. And then E565. Those are the three matters which are before this court and in which the Honorable the Chief Justice has constituted this bench for hearing and determination. There are articles of constitution of this bench in the court. So the three matters before the court are E565, E015, E0113, and E014. Those are the files and petitions, applications before this court. And those are the applications on which this bench has given direction pursuant to this bench being duly constituted. So any other applications which we are talking about, we have not cited them. Maybe they are yet to reach us, but for the purposes of today's hearing, we have these three petitions or applications.
Your Lordship, we well guided, and perhaps also state for record that we also appear in E015 in protest. But further that, Your Lordship, kindly confirm that the number that is now registered in the matter that came from Gachagua is E015. And that is important, Your Lordship, because of the purposes of administrative transfers of files. Because what was at Gachagua, Your Lordship, was E015. Does it therefore mean that that file has not yet been integrated into the Nairobi files? And if so, then how do we appear to proceed before you, and how was the matter that we shall raise other issues? Just confirm on the question of the integration of that file in the Nairobi files, because the last file that we have should be 565 as at Friday. Are we dealing with the matter in Gachagua or in Nairobi?
Let me deal with that. Lord, for the purpose of A572,